Welcome to Occupational English Test, also known as OET. This training video is on the reading subtest. Let us look at the test format for the reading subtest. You are given 1 hour to complete this test or 60 minutes. You are also given a total of 42 questions. These questions are divided into 3 parts, namely Part A, Part B and Part C. Here are the types of questions that usually come for Part A and the strategies to answer them. First, you must notice the kind of questions given to you, the question type. They are usually consultation extracts. You will mostly be given 4 possible task types. They include matching the information or short answer type questions, sentence completion, note completion, flowchart, table or diagram completion. If you are given any one of these questions, they are often followed by 2 of the other task types. Now in Part A, the 20 questions will be split up across 3 or 4 groups of questions. They are usually split up in the following manner. The first group is split up from 1 to 7, the next group from 8 to 14, and the final group from 15 to 20. Now here are some strategies to answer this type of question effectively, and they are: scan the 4 texts to locate the information needed. A lot of these questions cover overall meanings, identifying what each of these texts are telling you or what kind of information is present in each of them. Therefore, the scanning technique will definitely help. You can underline important words and phrases, match them with the text to find out the detailed meaning. The questions do not necessarily follow the order of the texts. Pay attention to the words in the question. Try to identify the types of questions given and apply your strategies accordingly. Now, when you are given matching the information type of questions, you must try to understand the question correctly. A lot of times, students just look at 1 or 2 words and find similar answers in multiple paragraphs or multiple texts. This often happens when you are not able to understand the question correctly. So first, understand the question. Check the context within which the question is given and what is the main idea in that question. Then go ahead and find the matching information on the basis of your reading skills. If you are given short answer type of questions, then locate the correct word or short phrase given by matching them with the question. Look at the 4 texts in detail. Here you are asked specific questions. In certain parts, you might have to delve a bit deeper. Sometimes you can find the answers in a single sentence. Mostly words related to medication, treatment or reactions could be covered in this particular type of question. Finally, you've got sentence completion. Here you are required to fill the gaps with a word or a short phrase. Analyze the sentence properly. Look at the words before and after. Is the sentence asking you for a definition? Is it basically an extension of an idea? What is the subject in that sentence? These are some of the things you have to focus on. Part A, Practice 1. Now here is a sample of what Part A looks like. You have been given a series of questions. Using the strategies mentioned above, you are supposed to solve the answers. Your text booklet, from where you are supposed to find out the answers, has been attached in a PDF form and sent to you. You must read that in order to Find out the answers mentioned here. This includes the second set of questions. As you can see, the first set ends at 7, the next set begins from 8 and continues till 14. This is your reading passage. You must read this and answer the questions given. That is the end of this particular training video. All the best with your practice.